everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be cleaning the whole of the upstairs of my house. Cleaning videos have been highly requested, so I thought I would do another one for you today. This is also a collaboration with my friend Ash from Mama Reed. She's going to also be doing a cleaning video for you today, so you can go check out her gorgeous home. Ash has got two beautiful children, Charlie and Ella, and she is just a beautiful person. So make sure you go check her out after this video. She uploads lots of videos very similar to mine, so I know you're going to love her. But yeah, let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you're here from Ash's channel, then welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy the video. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm literally in the middle of changing the bed. I need to strip this bed linen and get some new ones onto the bed, and then also I'll show you the rest of the rooms before I get started. This room is a mess because I cleared everything out of Renzo's room yesterday, so now it's all in my room, so I need to tidy that all up. It's just so messy. So this is Renzo's room. You would have seen a little kind of makeover video the other day. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll link it down below for you, but it's not looking too bad. So in here it's just a quick little tidy. And then the same with Vinny's room. It's not looking too bad. I do need to give it a little quick clean. So that is Vinny's room. And then this is the bathroom. So the bathroom's not looking too bad, but I'm going to give it a little wipe down as well. So yeah, let's get started. This is the current state of the bedroom. I've literally just got the mattress protector on there, so I need to do the rest of it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is make the bed. I have literally just done my mattress cleaning routine. This is something that I do once a month, and if you want to see how I do that, I'll leave the link down below for you because I've got a whole video on how I deep clean my mattress. Whilst editing this video, I realised that I had lost all of the footage from making the bed, but believe me that the bed was made and you'll see it at the end of this video. Okay, so now that's done, I'm just picking up all of the old bed linen, and this just needs to go in the wash, so I'm going to take that downstairs, and then I'm going to come back up and I'm just going to put everything away. So I've got clothes here, so washing, also got nappies, bits like that. I just need to pop them away in the drawers, and then I'm going to clean the surfaces with some method spray and a microfiber cloth. Okay, so it's time to tackle my dressing room, and as you can see there's stuff everywhere, so I'm just going to tidy everything off of the surfaces first, then I can wipe down everything, and also I'm going to wipe down all of the mirrors in here too. Okay, so everything looks much more organised now, although I still don't know where to put that makeup organiser, which is under the dressing table there, so it's just going to stay there for now. But apart from that, it looks good. Now I'm just in the bathroom. I'm just going to wipe down the sink area using some Dettol wipes. And then I'm going to pop some Zoflora into the sink. If you've seen my cleaning videos before, then you'll know that I do this quite often. I just like to put a little bit of boiling hot water into the sink and then a capsule of the Zoflora. This is a disinfectant, but it just makes the room smell really lovely. So I always do that after cleaning. And then I'm also just going to give the toilet a quick wipe down and pop some bleach into the toilet. I'm not doing a deep cleaning here today, literally just wiping things over. Okay, so let's move on to my little boy's room. This is Renzo's room and we have only just decorated it, so it's pretty clean and tidy at the moment. So I'm just going to wipe down his toy box. This is from IKEA for anyone wondering. And then I'm also going to wipe down his wardrobe, which is from Silver Cross, because I get a lot of questions about that as well. I'm now just tying up these ribbons into some bows and sorting out the bumper area of his cot. I think this is called a bumper, is it? Correct me if I'm wrong, I think it is. And I'm also going to wipe down the cot as well. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Okay, so let's move on to Vinny's room. I'm just putting some clothes away which were on his bed. I actually put them on there not that long ago. And now I'm just going to tidy away any toys like hidden under his desk. And I'm also going to give the desk a little wipe down. Once I've done that, I'm going to move on to the bed and make his bed. Because I did make it in the morning, but I hadn't made it properly. I literally just threw the covers back on. So I'm going to make his bed properly. And then we'll go on to the next section, which will be hoovering. So the final step when I'm cleaning the upstairs is to hoover. So I like to hoover once I've completed cleaning all of the rooms, just because that way I'm not walking back over the carpets while I'm cleaning each room. So I like to do this last, and then it just all looks lovely and clean and tidy, and you get all of those little hoover marks. So yeah, that is what I do. Final step to hoover. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance. And that is the end of the video, guys. I'm going to show you each room now so you can see how it all looks once I finish cleaning. I hope you enjoyed cleaning the house with me upstairs. Don't forget to check out Mama Reed's video now. I'll leave her link down below for you. Make sure you go subscribe and give her lots of love. Tell her I sent you. And if you have come over from Ash's channel, then please hit that subscribe button. Welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.